Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ripcharts app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ripcharts is a marine mapping and fishing intelligence app designed for offshore anglers who rely on advanced data to plan their trips. The app provides detailed satellite imagery, water temperature charts, chlorophyll data, altimetry, and currents to help locate the most promising fishing zones. It also offers GPS integration, waypoint marking, and offline chart access for convenience while out on the water. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many offshore fishermen value Ripcharts for its detailed and accurate oceanographic data, which helps them save time and fuel by heading straight to the best fishing spots. The ability to overlay multiple datasets makes it a powerful planning tool. Users also appreciate the easy-to-use interface and the ability to view charts on both desktop and mobile devices. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Access to premium features requires a subscription, which may feel expensive for casual users. Some anglers note that interpreting the data correctly requires experience, so beginners may find the learning curve steep. In addition, while the charts are highly detailed, their effectiveness can depend on satellite updates and regional coverage. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Ripcharts app may be worth using if you're a serious offshore angler looking for detailed oceanographic data to improve your fishing success. It stands out for its accuracy, data overlays, and planning tools. However, if you're a casual fisherman or not ready to pay for a subscription, it might not be the most practical choice. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.